This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at problem number 10. It says you make $33,500 per year as an administrative assistant. After your end-of-year review, you receive a 1% pay raise. How much in dollars is your raise? So your raise, what this problem is telling us is that your pay raise is 1% of the $33,500. It's 1% of your annual income. So we need to use the part formula. We need to find what is 1% of 33,500, and that's a part of the total. So the part is equal to the percent, 1% times the total, and when we multiply that, we get $335. $335 is 1% of the income of $33,500, and that would be the pay raise.